Well, actually, I mean, I like working with a top professional bands because it's easy for me, and they can play some very difficult pieces. But working with students, you get a certain kind of energy that unfortunately sometimes lacks from the professional bands. I mean, there are bands that play with energy, of course, but the young musicians here, I mean, you can feel the enthusiastic feeling and the energy that they have towards the music, and they are so eager to learn new things. So I just love it. I mean, you cannot really compare. There are two different things, and at the same time, the same thing. So I love both, and it's great to work with the students. Regarding the exchange we have with the Liceu Conservatori and the Helsinki Metropolia University of Applied Sciences, the benefits, of course, I mean, everything's done because of the students. We do everything for the students, right? So if the teachers, visit each other, that's for the benefit of the students eventually. So what we learn from here or what your teachers could learn from Helsinki, we bring to our students. But for the students in particular, I mean, it's great to expand your networks, be exposed to different cultures. Even though we're all Europeans, but Finland and Spain are kind of the two ends of the line, if you could say like that, in Europe. So I think it's about learning new cultures, making new friends, networking, and at the same time developing something, durable, something that would last. Yeah. And I hope that by my visit here, which is the second one, I hope that this could be a birth of something, maybe, doing something together with our students and your students. That would be great.
Yo creo que es una buena oportunidad para conocer grandes músicos e incluso tocar con ellos, que hemos podido en el festival. Estamos charlando y bueno, viendo qué pasa y aprendiendo un poco. Eso me parece una buena experiencia del liceo.
Like here they used to say like mucha mierda.
Break a leg.
How you say like good leg?
Yeah. In English you say break a leg.
Break a leg.
Rómpete una pierna.
Yeah, but the thing I know, I mean, your school is very, very good, and as far as I know about, like the Mediterranean countries, I think you have a very strong tradition. I mean, the music you do here is of very high level. I'm very interested. About the music we are going to listen tonight, all the pieces are by Finnish composers. Let's say the last two generations. Me being the oldest composer heard this evening, and the youngest would be like less than 30 years old. So most of the tunes, most of the compositions are actually competition winners. We have a great big band composing competition in Finland called the Esko-Linnavali Big Band composition contest, and most of the music that we are hearing today have either won the contest or being second or third, so being in the top three.